Hello, my name is Larry Barnes. I'm the National Sales Coordinator for Life Automotive Products. Today we're going to go through the application procedures for the total intake system cleaner on a diesel engine. A diesel and a gasoline engine are much different in the way that they're hooked up to our total intake system cleaning, and we're going to show you how to do that today. But before we get started, I want to mention three key benefits of the total intake system cleaner. Number one, there's no application tools required. It comes with its own hose, a lockdown cap, and a graduated tip that's rifled on the inside like a gun so that the product enters the intake system on a diesel engine very rapidly. The second benefit is service time. It's only a 5-minute service time to completely clean a diesel engine. Third, and most importantly, your customer is going to notice a considerable performance improvement in their vehicle. So let's get started and hook up this diesel engine. The first thing you want to do is attach the cap to the can. We're going to go through the air intake system on a diesel engine. What we want to do is right where the air box is and the air intake tube, we want to disconnect this and put our tube toward the turbo and reconnect that as best we can to make sure we have some positive vacuum flow toward that turbo. Be careful as well, as you may find on some vehicles there's a mass airflow sensor that sits on top of the air intake hose. Make sure to get our hose past that mass airflow sensor so as not to spray any chemical on that sensor itself, as it could result in damage. We want to start the vehicle, let the engine run for a few minutes to get to operating temperature, and we're ready to start. We want to slowly depress the cap on the can. Let the engine get used to the chemical going in there. I normally don't lock down this cap because what you're going to find when you do a diesel engine, and this is different than a gasoline engine, is that the RPMs are going to want to rise on you when you do a diesel. They will rev up several times throughout the service. Don't be alarmed. This is normal and it won't harm the engine in any way. So I usually feather in the chemistry into the engine and let it accept it and keep those RPMs at a lower rate. Once the can is empty, we're done with the service. We want to take the tube out of the air intake and reattach. Start the vehicle, let it run for a couple of minutes to get all the vapors out of the intake itself, and the service is complete. For additional information and also to see the effectiveness of the total intake system cleaner, please be sure to check out our spark plug demo video.